How can reconciliation be achieved in personal and professional relationships?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to achieve reconciliation in both personal and professional relationships. Reconciliation plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy and fulfilling connections with the people around us. Whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues, finding a way to mend conflicts and restore harmony is essential. So, let's dive right in and explore some effective strategies for achieving reconciliation.
Understanding the importance of reconciliation.
Before we delve into the how, let's first understand why reconciliation is important. Reconciliation allows us to repair and rebuild trust, repair emotional wounds, and restore balance and harmony in relationships. It opens the door to effective communication, collaboration, and overall well-being. By reconciling with others, we create a space for growth, understanding, and deeper connections.
Self-reflection and empathy.
One of the foundational steps in achieving reconciliation is self-reflection. Take a moment to reflect on your own actions, emotions, and contributions to the conflict or disagreement. Ask yourself what part you played and how you may have contributed to the situation. Being honest with yourself and taking responsibility for your role in the conflict is crucial for moving towards reconciliation. Additionally, cultivating empathy is key. Try to put yourself in the other person's shoes and understand their perspective. Empathy allows you to approach the reconciliation process with compassion and a willingness to listen and understand the other person's feelings and needs.
Effective communication.
Clear and effective communication is the cornerstone of reconciliation. It's essential to create a safe and non-judgmental space where both parties can express their thoughts and emotions openly. Active listening is a crucial component of effective communication. Give the other person your undivided attention, maintain eye contact, and show genuine interest in what they have to say. This demonstrates respect and validates their feelings. When expressing your own thoughts and emotions, use I statements to avoid sounding accusatory. For example, say, "I feel hurt when," instead of, "You always make me feel." This way, you express your emotions without placing blame or attacking the other person. Remember, the goal is to find common ground and reach a mutual understanding.
Seeking mediation or professional help.
In some cases, reconciliation might require the assistance of a neutral third party, such as a mediator or a professional counselor. Mediation can help facilitate the reconciliation process by providing an unbiased perspective, guiding the conversation, and helping both parties reach a resolution. This can be particularly valuable in more complex or deeply rooted conflicts. If the situation persists or becomes overwhelming, seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor can provide additional support. These professionals are trained to help individuals navigate conflicts, manage emotions, and develop effective strategies for reconciliation.
Patience and forgiveness.
Reconciliation takes time, patience, and effort. Be patient with yourself and the other person throughout the process. Healing and rebuilding trust won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, progress can be made. Forgiveness is also a significant part of the reconciliation journey. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the actions that caused the conflict. It means letting go of resentment and the desire for revenge, and allowing yourself to move forward with a renewed sense of peace and understanding. Forgiveness benefits both parties involved and paves the way for a healthier and more positive future. In conclusion, achieving reconciliation in personal and professional relationships requires self-reflection, empathy, effective communication, seeking mediation if necessary, and practicing patience and forgiveness. Remember, reconciliation is